Today, we're diving into an all-in-one indoor grow tent kit that promises to revolutionize your plant growing experience. This kit includes everything you need. A spacious 120-foot x 60 x 78 grow tent made from 600D diamond mylar, ensuring optimal light reflection and durability. It's equipped with heavy-duty zippers for easy access and minimal light leakage. Accompanying the tent is a powerful UFO 200W LED grow light, boasting a full spectrum that covers all growth stages from veg to bloom. With its blend of blue, red, IR, and white lights, it mimics natural sunlight, promoting robust plant growth. What's impressive is its quiet operation due to its fanless design, making it ideal for indoor setups where noise can be a concern. Ventilation is key in any grow tent setup, and this kit doesn't disappoint. The 8-inch ventilation kit includes an inline duct fan, carbon filter, and 25 feet of flex ducting. The fan features composite blades and a ceramic-coated hub to minimize noise and vibration, while the carbon filter ensures cleaner air by effectively removing odors. For monitoring environmental conditions, the kit provides a humidity thermometer, timer, and even bonsai shears for plant maintenance. The inclusion of adjustable rope hangers and trellis netting further enhances the practicality of this setup, allowing for efficient plant training and support. In summary, if you're looking to create an optimal indoor growing environment with minimal hassle, this complete grow tent kit ticks all the boxes. From its robust construction to its comprehensive lighting and ventilation systems, it's designed to support healthy plant growth from seedling to harvest. Whether you're a novice or seasoned grower, this kit offers convenience, efficiency, and impressive results.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.